Today I'm going to unbox my instant Fujifilm Mini 40 camera. So let's open it. The first thing is make your camera safe. So you just have to install it. So if it comes out, then that means you have done it correctly. And pass through this. Now it is safe. Now we can lift it up like this. So it's not heavy. So let's install the batteries. So you have to slide this section like this. You can take it out. Now place it in according to the marking. Slide it in. So the photo paper size is 6.2 into 4.6 centimeter. So this is the instant mini contact sheets. Open this door like this. Like this. So match the yellow and the yellow sign. So just match the colors and then it's going to be ready. Now close this chamber. So you have to press it a little bit hard so that it closes. Now we are ready to use it. So we are going to switch it on now. Now press this button. It will switch on the camera itself. And you will see the orange light starts to flash. Also, if you go to the back, it says start. For that we have to press and hold this button. Instantly it will start. This is, we are just starting it for the first time. And you can remove it. Now if you go to the front, you will see the orange light is there. And at the back you will see the marking. I'm going to take a photo now. And it will print it. So it's the instant print. Come completely. Now you can take it out. Now wait for the print to appear. So it might take some time. Thanks for watching.